Here has been my winter hair care routine. Once a month, I've been using the Deep Cleansing Urban Alchemy like signature cleanse. So this is like a deep treatment that you use. This box right here, I think it's like $26 for this box. Don't quote me. You shake it all up, you apply it all over your entire head and massage it in, and then you leave it in for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing. This will restore the pH of your hair. It'll get off all the buildup, the minerals, because everyone's water right now is junk. Hair will feel squeaky clean. The next thing I add to that is these little tiny scalp care vials. You can put this Urban Alchemy scalp care right into like your mask that you use. These bad boys together make your scalp feel so good, get all the like dry yuckiness off your head. If you're not dry right now, then like teach me your ways. That is my go-to once a month. And then what I use on a weekly basis is the entire Bond Bar system, which obviously you can tell these are very well loved. Once a week using number 3, which is like your pre-wash mask. Then in the shower, shampooing with number 4 and conditioning with number 5. Mind you, are super cleansing and make your hair feel so good. And you can tell this is my literal favorite because it's all bendy, but this is number 6 and this is a styling lotion and I don't like heavy products. This is so good in your hair. It's not heavy and you will love it. A little goes a long way. Like I've been using this for 2 months now. A quarter size of this in your hand, run through your mids and ends before you style on your damp hair, and you will get a brush through your hair. Your hair will feel so soft and healthy. And you can get that like entire Bond Bar system, I think, for like $40-ish, which is pretty crazy for all 4 products. And that is how I have been keeping my hair healthy all winter long. What are your favorite like affordable winter hair care products? Let me know.